YooHoo! Subscribe!
Both to quit that racket!
But we were really getting into it, Bob.
I said be quiet!
I wish I could sing my heart out.
That makes the two of us.
So you really love to sing, do you? Fine, but there's only one place where you can sing all you want.
I still couldn't believe the boss gave this monster speaker for us to use.
Here, I brought my microphone, so let's try it out. Hey, hey, hey!
Oh, I'm with you, Coops.
You're hungry, aren't you?
Oh, yeah, I don't think it would be a good idea to sing on an empty stomach, Coops.
I have an idea. What do you say if we grab some grub before we start singing, Oops?
Sounds good, Coops.
I better run back to town and tell the others about it. Mike, Tess! Hello, everyone! Chewoo here. Can you all hear me right now? That's because I'm talking through a gigantic speaker. And from now on, I'm going to provide you news and music for your listening pleasure. Other than the voice of greetings. You're all going to be listening to my wonderful voice all day long. Anyway, let me explain how you
It was a bad idea to have given Chewoo that mic.
I know. Now it's going to be hard to shut him up. I just love to constantly talk to you all, especially about my favorite things, like pizza, for example. Since the ingredient has the freshest ingredients, the pizza we make are always delicious. Doesn't that just make you hungry? It sure does make me. Ah! Oh dear, sounds like Chewoo's in serious trouble.
I'd better go over there.
Wait, I'm coming along.
You almost broke my eardrums!
And you gave me a migraine. Serves you right for meddling with our stuff.
Don't you ever come near our speaker again!
You little noisy brat!
Chewoo, are you all right?
Yeah, I guess I am. So why were you screaming so hysterically, Chewoo? Because I was traumatized.
Yeah, what about?
Oops and Coops have this really huge speaker with them.
You mean to say you were using their speaker when they found you?
Oh. And when they did, Oops and Coops got so mad and did something dreadful.
What was that?
They told me that I was a noisy little limp. How could I even say such a horrible thing to me?
So what are Oops and Coops planning to do with a big speaker? I can't take all this noise. Please let it stop. Oops and Coops are torturing us with their awful singing.
Now, Pammee!
Pammee, how are you feeling?
I feel much better. Even way better than before.
Pammee! Oh no, not again! The noise is too much for Pammy's super ears. She can't take it. I think now would be the best time for her to wear these.
Pammee, aren't your ears hurting? I know, Caramel. I know I look stunning.
You know, I think everyone really loved our performance, Coops.
They sure did, Oops.
When you play your guitar, you're just as great as Jimi Hendrix, Coops.
And when you were singing, you know what? I thought Elvis came back to life, Oops.
This has gone far enough. Something has to be done about this.
Yeah. Oh, well, I guess there's really nothing much I can do about it. I just can't help being so pretty.
This isn't helping.
Do you think taking her earplugs off is a better option?
What was that? Now, why would you want me to give Oops and Coops singing lessons? This conversation's going nowhere.
Hey, actually, that's a great idea.
What? That's embarrassing. What made you even think that I was suffering from diarrhea? Ew!
I just said that you gave us a great idea.
What's that?
You're going to teach Oops and Coops how to sing.
Those forest creatures really enjoyed our singing, didn't they, Coops?
So why does the boss hate it when we sing?
He's just jealous since he can't even carry a tune.
It isn't that. You want to know why? It's because your singing is just horrible.
What? Something must be wrong with your ears.
I have the keenest ears in Greenit, and I'm a better singer too.
Is that so?
Just meet her at the bridge tomorrow.
I believe we've just been challenged to a showdown. All right, Pammy, let's see what you've got.
Show the both of us what you can do.
Oh, I feel like I'm floating in heaven right now.
She has the voice of an angel. It's so sweet. I dream to be a rock star.
Floating to bits.
Don't worry, guys. I'll teach you how to sing if you want.
We're the simple rock and rolling dudes of Green in our hometown.
To sing a song to you, so please don't wear a frown.
Make-way creatures, Coops and Coops.
Why have your voices improved all of a sudden?
We've been taking voice lessons from Pammee, boss.
You fools! You were supposed to torture the creatures with your horrible singing. Now you've learned how to sing in tune. How will you be able to get rid of them?
Why can't the boss just appreciate that we can sing in tune now?
I'll bet we'll get a lot more appreciation from the forest creatures.
Oh, I think you're right. Let's go and give them a real show. Where on earth did our monster speaker go?
Hey, hey, hey! Hello, greeted folks! This is your host, Chewoo, greeting you all a good morning! Now that we have this giant speaker in town, I'll be here to entertain you from dusk till dawn! And boy, do I have so many stories to tell you! I've got so many things to say that I don't even know where to start! I can stand here all day doing nothing else but talk, because I really enjoy talking! That's why I'm so glad to have this chance to talk to you all! I hope you all find it enjoyable! Of course! I'm beautiful! Let's go! Yoo-hoo, 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 we'll have never-ending fun. Yoo-hoo, never dull with Yoo-hoo, he's a friend to lead us on. Yoo-hoo, come on one and all your days will be a joy. Yoo-hoo, are you gonna join the ride? Alright! Our hearts go skip a beat and they go bump, thump, bump, thump. We love our greenish, we love our home. Do all that we could to keep it away from trouble. Are you gonna join the fun now? Oh yeah! Yoo-hoo and his buddies bring the fun that never stops. Yoo-hoo! We've got clever Roodee and lovely Pammy too. Hungry, hungry Chewoo and the grouchy Lemmee too. Yoo-hoo! Yoo-hoo and friends will lead you on. Yoo-hoo! 1, 2, 3, 4. Are you ready? Then let's go! Everybody jump and shout with Yoo-hoo and the troop. Oh yeah! Joining in the fun, our big boss also loves to Coops. Oh no! One great big adventure is in store for one and all. Yoo-hoo! Come and join us for the ride. Yoo-hoo!
Oops and Coops fall in love.
Surprise!
Oh
I
my!
have my eyes set on no one else but you. Only you hold the key to my heart.
Oh my, you're so sweet.
Sorry, but that guy has bad taste, Oop.
He must really love that girl to be able to say those things, Coop.
Yeah, I'm really hungry, Oop.
Seriously, Coop? But you just ate a while ago, Coop.
Wait, what was it that we ate again, Oop? Pizza, chicken, hamburger, and french fries, and ice cream, and pie, and also a whole keg. But I still don't think that I was able to eat enough, Oop.
You have a point there, Coop. Why don't we go eat some more, Coop?
Yeah, I can't wait, Oop.
Yes, boss.
Yes, boss. Oh, hey, look, there's bread, Oop.
Do you think the boss prepared all of that for us, Coop?
Put those down!
But boss, can't we have even just a little? We're really hungry, Oop.
That's right. Oops is right, boss. You should share your food with us, Coop.
No, that bread isn't just any bread. There's a love potion mixed into it.
A love,
Love
potion, Coop?
If you eat that love potion in the bread, you're going to fall in love with the first first thing you set your eyes on. I intend to feed this to the residents of Greenland and create havoc in all their relationships.
I'm sorry, boss, but they look so good. Oop.
But wait, boss, can't we have just one bite? That's all we're asking for, Coop.
No. Just get out and give every single one of them a piece of those.
I can't help but wonder what this bread tastes like, Oop.
Let's just have one bite, okay, Coop?
Okay, Oop.
We ate every single piece, Coop.
What's happening here? I feel weird.
Wow, everything's starting to look like Chewoo, Coop.
I think there's something wrong with my eyes, Oop. But I think Chewoo looks really pretty today, don't you think so, Oop?
That's right, Coop. No one can come close to how pretty Chewoo is, Coop.
Hey, everyone! You'll never believe what I saw in the woods today.
This I gotta hear.
Are you ready for it? I saw many beautiful flowers around the forest this morning. And I also saw the butterflies flying around and the bees trying to collect honey from these flowers. The sight was so beautiful.
Did you really call the entire village so you can tell us that?
Yes, that is correct. I also saw fruits colored red, yellow, green, blue, orange, purple, and even flew on top of the trees. They picked one and ate it.
Chewoo, you have such a beautiful voice. Did you know that, Oop?
What kind of trouble are you two about to do now? Leave me alone.
Trouble, Coop? Please, don't say that, Chewoo. We only came here because we wanted to see you, Coop.
This is for you, Oop.
This one, too.
Hey guys, I received a love letter. Look. What? Are you serious? Who gave you a love letter? Here, take a look.
Dear Chewoo, we are blinded by the beauty and the grace that you possess, Oop.
Everywhere we look, the only thing that we can see is your face, Coop.
We're hoping that you'll no longer be scared of the two of us, crocodiles,
We
Oop.
swear to you by the moon and the stars that our love for you will never change, Coop.
I really hate these cheesy love letters.
Guys, do you really think that Oops and Coops like Chewoo that way?
Something doesn't feel right.
Yes, it's very strange.
Yeah, it's me those two should like, not Chewoo.
Huh?
But that's not the issue here, Pammy. We have to be suspicious of that love letter they sent her. We don't have any idea what those two are up to this time. They're dangerous.
Maybe those two really like me. You never know, right? Let's get them tested if what they feel for Chewoo is real.
But how?
These flowers pale in comparison to you, Chewoo, Oop.
Please accept this as a token of my love, Coop.
Wow, thank you guys. You must really like me to give me all of these.
Of course,
Coop.
Oop.
Do we look like we believe you?
But I really like Chewoo, Oop.
I don't just like Chewoo, Coop. I love her, Coop.
You see, guys? What Oops and Coops feel for me are as real as these flowers. We still can't trust these two bozos. You have to prove your love for her by going through a series of tests. Got that?
What
Tests,
Oop?
Okay, you two. If your love for me is real, go up and pick that pretty tiara flower for me.
Sure thing, Oop.
Anything for you, Coop.
I won't allow myself to lose, Oop. Chewoo, I got
I'll be by your side soon, Chewoo Coop.
Oh, Chewoo, this is for you.
Thank you, Oops. But your clothes, they're... This is a second test. Tell me the truth. Is there anything else that you like other than Chewoo?
Let's see, what else do we like, Oop?
Eating, Coop. We love Chewoo just as much we love eating, Coop.
Oh, really? Okay, hold on. Hold it!
Why?
Hey, what's the matter, Coop?
If it was your last day to live and you had to choose between Chewoo and all these food, which among the two are you going to pick?
Of course I'll pick Chewoo.
Me too, Coop.
Are the two of you sure about that? Does that mean I can eat all of this by myself?
Of course you can. I can't believe that Chewoo looks even more beautiful when she eats, Oop.
It's like seeing an angel eat actual food, Coop.
What? Do any of you boys think she eats beautifully too?
Chewoo, you've got to be thirsty. Here, drink this, Oop.
Why, thank you, Oops.
Chewoo, here, have some more drink, Coop.
You still have one more test to do in order for you to prove that your love for Chewoo is true. Is that understood, you two?
What test is this, Oop?
Do you both want to stay by Chewoo's side forever?
Of course we do.
Then I need the two of you to sign this contract.
What for, Coop?
If you really love Chewoo, then you have to leave Big Boss side and stop doing all those bad things that you always do. Now tell me, do you think you can do that? Can you really leave Big Boss and live with all of us here? Let's all live together, guys!
No problem. I'll be happy to do that, Oop.
Me too, Coop.
We'll go back and pack our stuff, Oop.
Me too, Coop.
Oh, the mere thought of living with Chewoo makes me happy.
To be honest with you, I've never been so happy in my entire life, Coop.
Wait, I have something to ask the both of you.
Okay, what is it, Oop?
Why do you guys even like Chewoo, huh? Don't you think that I'm much prettier than she will ever be?
No, Chewoo's definitely prettier, Coop.
That's right, Oop.
Okay, fine. So tell me why you like her.
First of all, Chewoo looks so beautiful with her hat, Coop.
And she also speaks very well, Oop.
Not to mention, she also runs elegantly, Coop.
And she also looks even more beautiful whenever she eats, Oop.
It's pretty obvious
we love everything about her.
Seriously? It's those things that make Chewoo beautiful to them?
And where do you think you're going?
We're going to leave this place and live with our love, Chewoo, and her friends at Greenit Village, Coop.
What, live and greet it? You love Chewoo? Since when did you idiots love Chewoo anyway?
Come to think of it, I don't know.
Oh, I know. It started when we ate all the heart-shaped bread. That's when all of this started, Coop.
You fool! I told you not to eat the bread! I prepared a special supper for both of you. Let's eat together for the last time.
Oh, but Chewoo and the others are waiting, Oop.
Oh, but you don't get it. I prepared your favorite dishes.
All right, then. Just one bite, Coop.
Oh, that was really delicious, Oop.
It sure was, Coop.
But I feel really sleepy now, Oop.
Actually, me too, Coop.
These idiots are going to forget about Chewoo the moment they wake up because of the love-breaking potion I put in their food.
Huh? It's Oops and Coops!
What's wrong with you, Oop?
Stop acting all friendly to us, Coop.
Oh, but I thought that you two said you loved me.
What?
Impossible!
Huh? What's going on here?
We said that we love Chewoo? What in the world were we thinking saying that, Oop?
I know, Coop. If it wasn't for the love-breaking potion, we'd be living with Chewoo and her friends right now. And the mere thought of that is just gross, Coop.
Ew, I don't even want to think about that anymore, Oop.
Hey, you guys!
Oop.
Hey there!
Hey, what's the matter with her,
Wait for
Coop?
me!
She's acting just like Chewoo.
Don't you think I'm much prettier than Chewoo? Guys, wait for me!
talking about? There's no such thing as monsters, Chewoo, all right?
I hope you're right. There's nothing to be afraid of, Roodee. Let's go home now. I'm really tired.
That was a close call. We almost got caught. You okay, Coop?
No, I'm not. I'm in pain. Why did you have to step on my tail in the first place, huh?
I couldn't see it because it's dark, Coop. Anyway, it's getting really late, Oops. I think we really have to get going right now, Coop.
We have to get home real soon. I'm really hungry, Oop.
Me too, Coop.
Oh, I know a shortcut we can use to get home faster.
A shortcut?
Huh? Something doesn't feel right about this place. It's a monster!
What are you talking about, Coop? It's just a vine wrapped around your foot, Coop.
That was scary. Oh, hey, do you think there really is a monster around here? Just like in the movies?
Oh, come on, Oops. You really think that monsters exist? Sorry to burst your bubble, but they don't, Coop. What is that, Coop? It's a monster, Coop! I'm kidding. There aren't any monsters, Coop.
I thought you said there aren't any monsters.
I know, but let's just get out of here, Coop.
Why is it so dark all of a sudden?
I don't know, Coop.
This?
From the looks of it, a monster caused this, and I mean a really big monster.
Wait, a monster?
You don't need to shout!
Come on. Monsters don't exist. You should know that by now already.
Calm down, Roodee. It's true.
Hey, do you still remember what the monster looked like? Because I don't, Oop.
No, it was too dark for me to see anything, Coop.
Why does Big Boss always make us do the dirty work for him, Oop?
Hey, boss, there's a scary monster living in the dark forest, Coop.
It just attacked us a while ago, Oop.
This monster could be of use to us. I want the two of you to capture that monster right away.
But boss, why would you want us to capture the monster?
You fool! If I have that monster in my hands, I will have the power in order to ruin Green It.
Is it just me, or did I hear something, Coop?
that? It's true. A monster really is behind this.
I've said it before and I'll say it again. Monsters don't exist.
Yoo-hoo! But there is somebody responsible for this mess. I know that. Roodee, build something to put an end to this.
Are you sure this is going to work?
Ready? Go! Okay, release! Caramel, are you responsible for all of this?
What are you talking about? I only came out for a walk because I couldn't sleep, Yoo-hoo!
Oh, well, we're really sorry. We thought you were the one responsible for leaving a mess every night.
Come on, guys. Can we go back just yet? I don't think anything's going to happen at this point anyway.
All right, let's all call it a night.
Me too. Hey, guys, help me first.
Oh, I can't believe that we actually attacked Caramel. If only we knew what this monster looked like. I think I've got it.
Okay, so the camera's supposed to capture what the monster looks like. Am I right, Roodee?
That's right, and I also installed one at home. Can you also install one in mine as well?
I want one too. Shh, I think someone's coming this way.
Hey, I think we caught him!
His laugh sounds really evil.
Hey, what's going on here?
Boobie, you're the one behind this, aren't you?
What are you talking about?
Hey, Boobie, what happened to your voice? Hey, you guys. I think I got so scared that I fainted. Were you guys able to catch the monster? It was nothing, actually. It was just Oops and Coops trying to create more trouble again.
No! Yeah, that's right. Don't worry about it, okay, Roodee?
Oh, thank goodness. I was worried that it might really be a monster. Oh, I'm so sleepy. But I think I want to read something before I go to bed.
Yoohoo! Subscribe